Hi, everybody. Thank you for joining me for Crafternoon. Today, we are going to be making slap bracelets. All right, so let's get started here. You stopped at the library and got one of our craft packets. It should come with a blank slap bracelet and some little gems. Now, what you're going to need to decorate your slap bracelet are permanent markers and a pencil, because you can mark your pattern on there before you go in with your permanent markers. So for my bracelet, I decided to do a floral pattern, and I've already started to get that marks on there. And I'm just going to add a few more colors here. And you guys can get as creative as you want or do it as simple as you want. You could do polka dots. You could do it to match your favorite shirt. Something you may want to consider trying on your slap bracelet before you mark it, so that you know exactly where the center is on your bracelet. Because different size wrists will yield different results as far as where the center is. Now that I've got my design put on there, I'm going to go ahead and add my jewels. And when you're marking this with your pencil, the good news is that the pencil on here can be erased. So you can change your design if you want without having a big problem. But once you start putting that permanent on, you're set in place. All right. So I put my little gems on and I am happy with my slap bracelet. And I hope that you guys are happy with your slap bracelets too. Thank you so much for joining me. You guys have a nice rest of your day. And next week, we will be doing pencil cases. So please make sure you join me for that. Bye, guys.